we'll guide you through how to transfer your Gmail contacts efficiently and seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts by entering contacts.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where your contacts are currently stored. Once you're on the Google Contacts homepage, look to the left-hand side and find the Export option, which is usually under the More drop-down menu. Click on Export, and a dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose to export all contacts or select specific ones by using the Select Contacts option. For the export format, you need to choose the Google CSV format if you're transferring to another Google account, or vCard format if you're importing into another service like Apple Contacts. After selecting your preferred format, hit the Export button, and the file will download to your computer. Now, to import these contacts into another Gmail account, log out of your current Google account and sign in to the account where you want to import the contacts. Go back to Google Contacts in this new account, and this time, look for the Import option on the left. Click on it, and a window will prompt you to upload the file you just exported. Click on Select File, find the CSV or vCard file on your computer, and upload it. Click Import, and your contacts will be added to the new account. You might want to check your contacts list to ensure everything transferred correctly. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues, make sure the file format is correct and that you're importing the right file. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.